this is an Onan 7.5 JB. Picked this up in Pennsylvania. Originally came out of an elementary school. It's a 1991 model. Just got it fired up on propane. Last night when I brought it in from Pennsylvania, I just kicked it over with some starting fluid after cleaning the points. They actually would not start. No big deal. Anyway, had to put a muffler on top, just temporary. When I fired this thing up earlier, it was earth-shattering loud. But anyway, seems to be good now. I need to check this thing out thoroughly. It is producing voltage. Right now it's set up for three-phase, 208 volts AC three-phase. I want to convert to 240 single-phase, no big deal. Just got to reconfigure the wires in here. It has a full meter package. I believe I mentioned it does have an extended stack. So I'm going to get full power both on single-phase and three-phase. Has some other options as well, such as an overspeed sensor, a few other things as well. Runs tri-fuel, so this thing will run on gasoline, propane, natural gas, which is a very good feature. What do we got for oil pressure right now? Has excellent oil pressure. With this I got a transfer switch as well. Excuse me. In the transfer switch it has an hour meter. I could open this thing up. Only has 216 hours. I got full documentation on this JB. Manuals, the whole 9 yards. If I get this thing all cleaned up and working, adjusted, whatnot, this will make a perfect home standby generator that I could add to the other form of generators back here that are undercover. This is the small sister to the JC. I had a JC before. Excellent machine, excellent generator. The problem was it was just too big for me, just way too big. So hopefully this 7.5 will do me good for my needs. All right, I'm gonna let this run a little while, just see how it does. I'm gonna be testing voltages. Got a couple rattles in here that I gotta take care of. When I pull this back, the control box thing just purrs. Since this thing ran on natural gas in the school, I'm going to have to do some tweaking. The carburetor, this big guy over here, get this thing to run optimal. By the way, let's see what we got running for hertz. Running about 63 hertz with no load. What do we got for voltage? That's about right, the way that this thing is set up. Alright, I'm going to be playing around with this for a little while. But anyway, I figure I just shoot a video of my new project. Got to keep busy doing something. No longer can I do my car hobby anymore. My back is shot. Anyway, that's about it. I'll be providing updates on this JB as I go along. I'll probably repaint the whole thing anyway. So yeah, there'll be a lot of pictures on the Smokestack forum as well as videos. Alright, thank you very much.